If you happen to have a IHI 7GX excavator and yours is missing, what goes in here is a rod that drops down and locks the rotation for transport and other purposes. If you just like to keep it straight for some reason, there's a rod that goes in there. Well, mine was missing, and it took me quite a while to fab it up. So I just wanted to give somebody the measurements in case yours is the same. You can make a rod that works. The rod is 3/4 inch diameter. Sorry for you metric folks. I've only got a tape measure that goes in inches. It needs a pin that drops in. I used a 1/4 28, and that pin should be about 5 1/4 inches from the bottom. I just tapered my bottom just a little bit just to make it drop in easier. The rod overall length all the way to the top of the bolt, 13 3/4. It's about 13 3/8, and then I welded a bolt on the top. In the same plane as the pin sticks out, you want some type of grab handle, and I'll show you why. This goes down. It barely makes it. Pull it a little forward there. See, because you're hitting here. Okay, it's in its home. Now that's the resting position. If you want it to lock, you pull it up, drop it down into the locked position. And I made mine so it's just not, you know, the pin, the lower pin is the one that's holding it up. This one's just free flowing. So right now, the platform will not rotate. You can take it up, give it a 1/4 turn. Now it's in the freewheel position and the pin is out of the way. That's why I did it, keyed it to the other one, because there's a shallow hole, that a slot that the pin goes in, and there's a deep hole. That's all. Hope I helped somebody out there. 1/4 20 bolts, both of them, top and bottom, and it'll work out just fine. Thanks for watching. I hereby declare that lock pin Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.